In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Google Forms on your website in just 5 minutes. Whether you're conducting a survey, collecting feedback, or handling event registrations, embedding a Google form directly on your site can streamline the process greatly. So, let's dive in and get started. First things first, head over to Google Drive. Make sure you're logged in with the Google account that holds the form you wish to embed. Once you're in Google Drive, look for the apps icon. This is usually located in the top toolbar, and clicking on it will give you a drop-down menu. From there, choose the Google Forms option. This will take you directly to your Forms dashboard, where you can access all the forms you've created. Next, locate the form you want to embed. If you have several forms, you can use the search function to easily find the one you need. Click on the form to open it. Once inside, you'll see the Forms toolbar at the top right corner of the screen. Look for the vertical ellipsis, commonly known as the More button, and give it a click. You'll now see several options, but we're interested in the Embed HTML option. Clicking this will bring up a window with the embed code for your form. Google provides a default size for the form, but you're not locked into those dimensions. Feel free to adjust the width and height according to how you want the form to appear on your website. This customization ensures that the form fits well within your site's layout. After adjusting, click the Copy button. This action places the embed code on your clipboard, making it ready to be pasted into your website's code. Now navigate to the website platform you are using. For demonstration purposes, I'll be using Google Sites, but the process is quite similar for most web building platforms. In your website editor, find the spot where you'd like to embed the form. Once there, look for an embed feature. This is typically represented by a code symbol or the word embed. Clicking on this option will open an area to paste your code. Choose the embed code option and then paste the embed code you copied from Google Forms. With the code pasted, hit next or whatever confirmation button your platform uses to acknowledge the embed code. Following this, you'll generally have an insert option. Clicking it will place the Google form within your website. Now at this point, you can make any final tweaks needed to seamlessly integrate the form. Take a moment to review how the form looks on your site. If adjustments are necessary, don't hesitate to edit and ensure everything looks polished and professional. Finally, once you're happy with how it looks, go ahead and publish your site. By doing so, you allow visitors to interact with your Google form directly from your website, enhancing the overall user experience. And there you have it, you've successfully embedded a Google form on your website. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial helps you streamline your data collection efforts.